So this is everything I do before I put my children's hair in a very long time protective style. I'm talking about protective style that lasts them for 4 to 5 weeks. So first I start by taking out whatever style that their hair is already on. This is just to prepare them for the first step, which is the pre-poo step. Okay, this video was actually filmed around December of 2025. Okay, and this hairstyle was the hairstyle that I made for them to go for their Christmas party. Okay, so it was just a pre-Christmas hairstyle if I put it that way. All right, so now it is time to put their hair in actual hairstyle that they are going to carry all through the holiday. So that is what I'm doing, just removing their the elastic that I used to wrap their hair. There was a time that I stopped putting, in fact for many years I stopped putting elastic band on their hair because I noticed that elastic band was thinning my first daughter's hair on the root. So when I noticed that elastic band was causing more damage than good, I stopped using elastic band. However, years later, I found out the best way to do it. Number one, that I have to soak it in oil, and again that the root has to be big. Before I would pick just a tiny section and do elastic band and cross, these cute styles that they do on kids. The problem then was that my first daughter's hair, which was the hair that I started practicing with, was thin. She has fine natural hair, so the excessive use of elastic band was too much on her hair, which caused the roots of her hair to start thinning out. This is what her hair looked like before I discovered the problem and I stopped. Okay, so yeah, after removing the protective style, I'm going to now move on to pre-pooing. All right, my loves. All right, so ever since I discovered okra, like it has been our go-to when it comes to pre-poo treatment, because man, the sleep that it gives is really mad. Like, you can actually make it anyhow you want it. If you want it to be thick, very thick and slimy, you can make it that way, and if you want it to be loose and watery, you can also make it that way. So this very one, I'm still trying to figure out the consistency that I prefer. Okay, so but here it's but the consistency of this very one is quite loose and runny. Okay, and I've noticed that the loose texture actually penetrates the hair faster or better than the thicker texture. In my previous upload, you will notice that I used a very thick consistency and I did not enjoy it. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and pre-poo their hair, and then I'll cover it and let it set for a while, and then I will shampoo their hair. Now sometimes their wash routine used to take over 3 days. So the first day I pre-poo their hair, and then I wash their hair. After covering it for a few minutes leading to an hour, I will bathe them, and then I will shampoo their hair that very day. The next day we'll continue. The next day we'll now do a deep conditioner, and then we'll rinse it off that same day. And then that very day, as their hair is still damp, I will moisturize their hair and stretch it with a jumbo braid. I will stretch it out with a jumbo braid, and they will go to bed. Then the following day, I will now put their hair in a protective style. That is when I have the time to stretch it that way. When I don't have the time, I can do like 2 or 3 sets in one day. Like, I can pre-poo, shampoo and deep condition that very day, and then the next day I will moisturize and style. The reason why I love this method of stretching out their hair like that is because they are still kids and they get fuzzy when you jam pack them with how many steps in one day, especially when they have to go to the bathroom, drench their whole body in shampooing their hair, and then again drench their whole body again in washing off the deep conditioner. I feel like it is too much, and especially because my kids are still young, I don't want cold to enter their body, especially that Christmas time the weather was really cold. So yeah, that is why sometimes, or should I say most times, I stretch out their wash day like that, unless maybe we are running under schedule and I really don't have time. So I'm learning to ask them to bend their hair over so that I can wash their hair without having to drench their whole body. It's still a practice. The first time I tried it didn't turn out so well. They bent, but somehow their body still managed to get wet. So that is why I just prefer this 3 day wash day routine, honestly, if I am not going anywhere, like if we are not running late or anything. So yeah, anyway, I'm done preparing Amanda's hair, and I've covered it, and she has gone to play. So once I am done preparing Amara hair, I'm also going to like cover it and allow her to stay for a while before I shampoo it. Okay, I think now is the best time for me to ask that you please like this video. Is it ask or plead? Whichever one. Please give this video a thumbs up. Okay, it means a whole lot, and it will even help YouTube to push it to more audience who might find it helpful like you. Thank you so much. I truly appreciate. Their hair has really been growing, especially Amanda hair. Since I'm the one handling their hair, I've been noticing improvement, and I love that I'm the one handling their hair because I get to understand what their hair needs, and if there is anything I need to improve or change or anything like that, and I get to be as gentle as possible. I used to joke and say that no one can take care of my children's hair the way that I can. Okay, so this is the next day. If you notice somewhere, if you look closely, you notice that they're wearing a different clothes. This is actually the next day, and this is what I'm using to deep condition their hair. See, I cannot tell you the content of this thing, but it's looking like there's okra in it, or maybe fenugreek. Well, anyway, I know it is a DIY deep conditioner, but I can't remember the content because I did not film it. Okay, so I don't think I filmed it. I don't remember. This has been a long time. Like, I was going through my gallery to delete for some space, and I found this video, and I saw that it is almost a complete watch day video, and I thought to share it. Okay, so yeah. Here I've already finished deep conditioning Amanda's hair. You can see how her hair looked now. It looks very nice actually. So I'm going to cover it, and she will sit under a hot cap. I set their timer for 25 minutes. Okay, so 25 minutes I would she will stand up and her sister will sit. Within that 25 minutes, I'm also deep conditioning her sister's hair. Sometimes it will, by the time I am done, it will just round up. Sometimes it will finish before. It just depends. And this is Amara hair all done. I've also finished deep conditioning her own hair. Look at how her hair looks right now. Okay, so yeah, I'm just going to also let her sit under the hooded dryer. Like, I love this deep conditioner. I wish I can remember everything I put inside. So this is Amara sitting under the hooded dryer as well, because her hair is completely deep conditioned. And this is Amanda's hair after I finish moisturizing the hair and detangling the hair. Look at the hair is ready. This is another day now. Now the hair is ready to be put in a protective style. Okay. So the next clip is their hair after I have finished putting it in a protective style. Actually, they are in their grandmother's place at this point. We've already finished putting our hair in a protective style and even gone for a little Christmas holiday already. So this is Amara's hair too. And yeah, that concludes our full wash day routine, from pre-pull to shampoo, deep condition, and the protective hairstyle that we choose. My name is Favor. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Ciao. Mwah.